Alright guys, so let me turn this down. So I wanted to kind of walk you through this, what I'm doing here. I don't have a whole lot of light, I apologize for that. Move you guys over here. So what I'm trying to do every Friday, that's what this is Fridays, every piece of equipment that leaves the shop gets kind of gone through, cleaned up. I pressure washed all the trimmers. And just kind of a little, you know, a little look over to make sure it's clean. And do I have a flashlight somewhere? I don't. That's okay. I don't need one. And just, you know, kind of look over, get it ready for next week. Like I said, everything's pretty good with this one. I mean, it's still brand new. This is the 130C. So we really don't need this guy even up here. It worked good. It did really good. We'll see how it continues to do, but so far I'm very pleased with it. Let's see. This guy. I'm still dealing with a little bit of a mess here. Get that guy up here. The 128 LD did the most work on this big job he just did, so I want to go over that one for sure. But yeah, this guy did an absolute ton of work. Check out this new air filter. I just put this in yesterday though, so I don't expect it to be, I'd be shocked if it had any dirt on it at all, but oh, it's got a little bit there. Not bad though. You know what? I'll be back in a flash, guys. I gotta go get my flashlight. Alright, we got the light here. It's really hard to get this one clean, or excuse me, to get the carburetor clean. Let's see if we can. I don't know. I mean, maybe I'll just leave it alone since there's nothing wrong with it. Still got a little water on it from pressure washing. I wonder if there's a way, excuse me, wow. And you guys let me know in the comments down below if there's a way to clean up this plastic to make it look, see, like where the sticker is, that's like the original color, but this thing is so sun bleached. It's terrible. One thing I want to get a look at with this one too is the quite a bit of dirt like in the exhaust, and I'm guessing it's just from you know, from it got like oily and dirty, like all over the fins in here and everything. Oh, that pressure washed out pretty good. 128 LD. Yeah, I'm pleased with that. I'm very pleased with the way that this machine I kind of like this new workbench we got going on here. I mean, it's not new. It's been here for a long time, but I've just not really used it. Maybe I wonder if you guys would work better on the other side. Let's see what we can do here. Let's figure something out here. Let's go. Oh, drop my air hose. Yeah, that might be better over there, huh? What do you guys think? You good right there? That might be better over there. Of course, I'm looking at the wrong side of the machine now. Usually everything's on that left hand, so yeah, but whatever. It's all right. I am happy. I could have done a better job cleaning it, but it looks absolutely marvelous. This is the one here that's got me a little bit disgruntled because something happened to it. And we talked about it on the last video. It had like a knocking sound of some sort, and getting everything in the way here. It had like, there was like a knocking sound of some sort, and then it wouldn't run. I couldn't get it to start, idle, anything. And then after I got it home, I pulled on the cord, and like the first pull, it fired right up, and it ran great. So I don't understand that, but let's can we start it right here, right now, maybe? Let's see what it does. I mean, it sounds good now. I'm just not sure. I gotta turn this fan up. It helps blow the cold air towards me. So let's put this guy out of the way for right now. So yeah, that's like super annoying. I don't know why it wouldn't run yesterday. But as you saw, once it warmed up for a minute, it had no issues at all. The one thing that troubles me about that is I can't trust it. And if I can't trust it, I can't use it. Not on the job, at least. Okay, we do have the Echo 303T that needs to be cleaned up. But I need to move some things that I don't want to get messy, because this is going to be a mess. It's just a greasy mess. Look at that. Yeah, I guess just like a chainsaw's supposed to look. But I definitely don't want this stuff getting on my phone or my water bottle or anything, so we will get this stuff to a safe location. And here's the air hose, and we'll get to cleaning it. Hopefully that fan isn't here. Turn it down a little bit. All right, here we go. Guys up a little bit. Echo is going to take a little bit more of a significant cleanup. Oh, and I left my bar wrench out in the truck and I don't want to go get it right now. So I'm going to start that cleanup tonight, but I'm probably just going to get it tore down and then finish tomorrow. That's what I'm thinking. It's a little doitier than I thought it was going to be. Good old 10mm gear wrench. So we'll get it tore down. I see the wife unit just got home for lunch, so I'm probably going to be knocking off here in just a second to go say hi. Oh yeah, look at that. That's beautiful. That's a beautiful mess. So yeah, we will, let me move this out of the way. So we're going to take this guy and we'll get it all cleaned up, get everything checked over and ready to go for the next job. But until then, we'll see you soon. Alright, so this is how we're going to do it. I've got this chest strap thing. I've got the GoPro with the microphone or the wireless mic system on it. This is just, oh, excuse me. So this is how I'm going to start filming my jobs. I got some adjustments to make here to tighten it up, but I got to fit it around my harness as well. So yeah, this is how I'm pretty excited about it. So this way I could just film and work, whether I'm weed eating or no matter what I'm doing. I think this is going to work wonderfully. So I'm going to start using this come Monday. I need to get a different, because this chest strap here, oh, it's tight. Take this thing off. So this chest mount is not a GoPro mount. It's I don't know, it's like a Chinese brand or something, but you could put the, oh, good Lord, it's been in there a while. Anyway, you get it right there, see? So you can change the, you know. So I'm thinking I'm probably going to get like an authentic GoPro one. In fact, I'm probably going to, definitely. But anyway, that's how we're gonna start filming our work. It's gonna be awesome. Can't wait till Monday.